Good morning students, Sanskrit Standard 8th. In Sanskrit, today we will do lesson number 9, Bhasha Sajjata, means good knowledge of language. Let us try to develop some understanding of Sanskrit language. Activity 1. Read the words given below without touching the lips to each other. Manojah Pathati Bharatah Phalam Babhuva. Cannot read without touching the lips. Read the following words without touching the tongue and teeth to each other. Tatpara Dadati Dhanam Pantha. Cannot read without touching the tongue and teeth. Could you read the words? Not. Why? Think and discuss. Find the reason and write in your notebook. Discuss that and try to understand the table on basis of your discussion. वर्ण स्थानानि. वर्णों का स्थान जो है ये वॉवेल है, ये कंसोनेंट है. डू यू नो वॉवेल एंड कंसोनेंट? शॉर्ट वॉवेल, लॉन्ग वॉवेल एंड संधि लॉन्ग वॉवेल. ए आ प्लस ई इज इक्वल टू ए. आ प्लस ई इज इक्वल टू ए. इसीलिए ये संधि है, लॉन्ग है. एंड आ प्लस उ इज इक्वल टू ओ एंड आ प्लस उ इज इक्वल टू औ. एंड दिस वर्ड्स इज गट्रा, जो इन वर्ड्स को बोलने में कंठ से आवाज आती है. एंड पेलेट्रल है. एंड सेरेब्रेट, डेंटल यूज करके देखिएगा. लाइबियल मीन्स लिप्स की यूज करते हैं, टीथ का यूज करते हैं बोलने में, अलग अलग साउंड निकलती है. ये तालू से वर्ड्स निकाल के देखिएगा, आवाज साउंड करके वर्ड्स की. And now you know which internal mouth organs are used to produce certain sounds. The production place of each sound is different. The production place of vowels and consonants are mentioned in the above table. Studying the table, you will know which organs of the mouth are mainly needed to produce the sound of each alphabet. The study of the table shows that there are 33 consonants and 13 vowels. There were more vowels and consonants in Sanskrit language, but in modern classical Sanskrit, the sound mentioned here are more used. Now, exercise 1. Write the following words in legible handwritings, means पढ़ने योग्य हैंडराइटिंग. नीट एंड क्लीन हैंडराइटिंग में आपको ये वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. भद्रम, नृपः, उत्तुंगः, भविष्यति, चंचलः, शंकरः. To classify the following sounds according to their production place. का, खा, गा, घा. So these are guttural sounds. And pa, fa, ba, bha. Labial sounds. Ta, tha, da, dha. So this is cerebrate sounds. Sentence patterns. राकेशः क्रीडति, विपुलः पुस्तकं पठति, मम माता गायति, दया फलं ददाति. Sentences. Read the above sentences carefully. In any sentence, nouns and verbs are most important. Nouns and verbs are most important. The meaning of the sentence depends on these two terms. The noun is joined with verb in various relationships in a sentence. This relation is joined using cases. This way cases link to join the various terms. Nouns are joined with verbs in 6 ways by 6 cases. Moreover, to address someone, locative case is used. Sixth case means genitive case which joins one noun with another noun. Introduction of cases. The name of the case. What is shows illustration. एग्जाम्पल है कि जो फर्स्ट है, संस्कृत में ये जो टेबल है ये इंग्लिश में है, संस्कृत में अगर ये टेबल है तो वो है फर्स्ट को बोलते हैं कर्ता, सेकंड कर्म, करण, संप्रदान, अपादान, संबंध, अधिकरण, संबोधन. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and संबोधन. Nominative, accusative, instrumental, dative, ablative, genitive, locative, address. तो एग्जाम्पल में है डोर ऑफ द एक्शन, सब्जेक्ट, object of the action, instrument of the action, one for that the action happened, the place from which it departs, one with whom it has relation, the source base of the action, whom to talk. है गजः, गजम, गजेन, गजाय, गजात, गजस, गजे, हे गजा. With the study of above table of cases, sentences of Sanskrit can easily be understood. With the help of the above table, find out the sentences from the book in which different cases have been used and note them.